Look at this. It's just sand. Silicon, the most common element on Earth. But if you refine it, process it, and etch it with light, it becomes the brain of the modern world. Computer chips. You might think America or China makes them. You'd be wrong. The most advanced chips, the ones running ChatGPT, the ones guiding hypersonic missiles, are made in one place, one single factory, on one single island. And right now, that island is the most dangerous place on Earth. If this factory stops, the global economy doesn't just slow down, it stops instantly. Welcome to the Silicon Shield. Meet TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. They are the grand master of physics. They print transistors so small, they are measured in atoms. A virus is gigantic compared to these chips. Apple designs the chips. NVIDIA designs the chips. But TSMC builds them. Right now, TSMC makes 92% of the world's most advanced logic chips. Saudi Arabia has oil. Taiwan has processing power. Here is the nightmare scenario. Taiwan sits just 100 miles off the coast of China. Beijing claims the island is theirs. If a blockade happens, or worse, an invasion, the factories stop. These fabs are incredibly sensitive. A power outage, a dust particle, or a vibration from a bomb blast nearby ruins the entire production line. Analysts estimate a disruption here would cost the global economy $2 trillion in the first year alone. No new phones, no new cars, no data centers. This leads to a theory called the Silicon Shield. The idea is simple. Taiwan is so important to the world economy that the US must defend it, and China cannot destroy it. If China destroys TSMC, their own economy crashes because they need the chips too. If the US lets China take it, the US military loses its technological edge. It is a Mexican standoff. Everyone has a gun, but nobody can pull the trigger without killing themselves. The race is on to diversify. America is building fabs in Arizona. Germany is building them in Dresden. But building a fab takes 5 years and $20 billion. We are running out of time. Until then, the fate of the modern world rests on a small, foggy island, waiting for the fog to lift.